on them, what's going?
It's called Michell.
I'm back from foreign.
Open. No, I lie, and that's something to start the video. Welcome. Welcome, guys. What's going on? I am glad to be back in the Jamaica land we love, right? Yeah, so you don't know anything said. Me know say, one must wonder, where is Michelle? Sadly, she's not here today, so I'm gonna just make a grinding chance by myself, and when we link up, get me, we do a video together, right? But before we get into anything, you don't know what we have to do. Let us have our quote. So the quote for today is, being happy never goes out of style. Again, being happy never goes out of style. And guys, that is self-explanatory, right? Come on, being happy. What you have to like, come, you see, it takes more muscles to frown than to smile. So smile a while and give your face a rest, guys. In life, we know so sometimes some people have some car or bike and them something that pass. I know that in life sometimes people have them trials and them tribulations, but sometimes you just have to just give thanks for where you have. You know, say sometimes some people go through some hard stuff, but them always say there's light at the end of the tunnel. I know say sometimes you have in a situation to know, but just go and push, go and pull through, because guess what, we have a God who never fails. You understand? So being happy never goes out of style. Happy, be great. You see, even though you have a bad day, a bad week, a bad month, still find something that you're grateful for in your life, just to be happy. And that's if I even want accomplishment where they get last year, this year, last month, just find that and just be happy. So guys, today I am going to speak to you about where I was, what did I do, stuff like that, you know. Yeah, so where have I been? So I was overseas for roughly 3 months, right, on the work and travel program, you know. Yeah, and I was in the state of Maine, right? So I was at a restaurant and hotel, like, yeah, but I was placed in the kitchen, so I was on the line cooking and stuff like that. So you have in the restaurant, you have a hot side and a cold side. I was on the cold side, and you can kind of guess what. So cold side has to do with salads, cakes, stuff, ice cream, stuff like that. Hot side have to do with, like, you know, food, fish, steak, and something there, right? Yeah. So my experience, it was a good one. You know, it's great to some of my time, you know, visit other countries and experience other culture, other foods and stuff like that, right? So the first time I went in the kitchen, you know, like, them show me around and so on and so forth, and you know, we had to use like little codes, which made me kind of feel coolish. Yeah, like for instance, if I go around a corner, you have to say call out corner. And if you're coming around the corner with something hot, you have to shout corner hot. If you're coming with a knife, you have to shout out corner knife, right? Just to make a person when I come, I will say, yo, somebody come right. So the first thing I prepared when I went there was a fruit cups, and those are things that they serve at the breakfast, because they do breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah, so that was the first thing we did have to prepare one fruit cup, right? So the woman just gave me some fruits. Well, we're not gonna say the chef, I should say. She gave me some fruits and she said just to be creative. I'm not gonna see picture, right? So the thing is with that restaurant, the morning menu is different from the night menu, right? So me have to learn two different menus. So first time I go over the coast side now. Right, my dad say, yo, how the hell me I go learn fi make all the you know, like what me I go do, whatever. Luckily my grab me catch on fast and you know go do our thing and go start work on the line on the coast side, you understand? So I go insert some pictures so they can see like certain stuff. So as we said before, we have different menus. So I'm going to talk to you about what we do in the mornings, right? So some morning menus that we will prepare is, so one picture my insert. So this is a Cobb salad. So a Cobb salad, I want to put chicken pan aside, they say cut up some pear, but you know them call it avocado. Get some mixed greens. Mixed greens are almost come like lettuce chop up fine in a butt. And really that. So yeah, get some house Italian dressing, mix up it tonight, put some beetroot on the top and some blueberry. But the thing is, you know, you see all our dressings them what we use are we have to make them from scratch. All our dressings them are we have to make them from scratch, people. So that they kinda teach me like how to make certain dressings and stuff. Even though if you follow one recipe, one book, some things if you're gonna make it again, you kind of just know, say, alright, yeah, that, blah, 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 right? This is a Waldorf, right? So, but you see the plate of showing from the crab salad, that the Waldorf they go on afterwards, you see it. And then we decide the one, I did two Waldorf would have one big and one small. This was a small one, however, then it's just take out that and it would just do one size for the Waldorf. But look, sadly, I just say small one we have right now. This is basically romaine, which is lettuce. Cut up some apple, sprinkle some walnut, some raisin, cheese, gorgonzola cheese, and creamy herb dressing. That's how we make it. Put the panny, put some black panny, do that. This is a Louis. Yes, me is all about seafood. It says if you love seafood, you're gonna love that dish here. This is mixed greens again with cucumber. You have some shrimp, some lobster, some crab, and egg dressing again. Right? So we did also do some other stuff, but I don't think we did have any more picture. We did do a lobster roll, crab roll, and yeah, basically, I think basically that we do in our morning. But you know, we serve like cakes. We did have cheesecake, lemon cake. We did have this. At one point, we did have this gluten-free cake. We did have some. We did have one cup chocolate pot. Yeah, we'd have to make that. We don't have no picture of that, but that was cool. And ice creams, we did have vanilla, salted caramel, I like that there. And one point we start getting mint chocolate chip and what is blueberry. Hey, see blueberry ice cream hard for scoop, you know. If something freeze, like I eat it always the hardest ice cream to scoop. Me never anytime that get hard, I'm used like that. Get me? So yeah, I think basically that. Oh, pop over like this bread with some ice cream in the middle. Basically that was I think we did in the morning. So in the night, we did come in with this. I forgot something. A niswa salad. So this is a niswa salad. This is basically a tuna on the top here. People raw tuna on the top. Mixed green, eggs, potato, green beans. Chef always give you flowers, edible flowers to sprinkle. So just gotta eat that. In the night, we do this beet salad, right? Beetroot with cheese on the side, some praline, that's a almond, and the beetroot microgreen up on the bottom, and basically eat that. This is a tuna tartar. So the chips are chips is where you eat the tuna with, and this is sushi ginger at the side, right? And what is again? Seaweed at the bottom. Yeah. This is a wedge plate. So people, yes, you say I don't really know on a plate, alright? One piece of lettuce we're cutting off. 2 pieces of bacon, some tomato, some onion, and sprinkle some balsamic glaze. Do you know that sometimes the people them want you to split this in a half? And you see yourself say, why? Why? I don't know how to panic. But yeah. What else you did? Oh, you have this, which me never like coming when it order. This is a seafood tower, guys, people. This takes so long to prepare. If you're a fan of seafood, this is for you, right? This is a lobster tail, strips of tuna, caviar up on the top, crab, piece of cucumber, seaweed in the bowl, and tuna marinade and that little something right there, stuff, right? And oysters at the top with mussels. And next thing to people, after I then take this off of the menu, it will take too long to prepare. And yeah, but me have to shock oysters. Like this is when we go up this I first I shock oysters, so they teach me how to shock oysters, which yeah, shock oysters and then look away there. See it. So yeah, this is a soon tell you what name. Tomato salad, people. Tomato salad. This happening at the night. And what else we not prepare? We not prepare. What else? I think that's it. Be night time. Yeah, I don't remember right now. Just some share one with me someday. But yeah, like certain things you have to remember what to prepare in night, what to prepare in the day, and just have to remember, right? I don't really have everything, but I have some pictures of what they used to go on with probably like a year ago or so on, which we can show you some picture of that day because my sister was there. I told ya. So I did tell her, I said, yo, if I was some picture to me, I'm showing you what they did prepare. Right, but we'll soon get into that. However, you know, say they also cater for wedding. So on our side, we would prepare like it's the same water from Shono. You will prepare that day, but at some smaller place, and we can insert one video of how they plate it. What we did. Also, we do one next something, right? Yes, this picture is this is mixed greens with cucumber and cheese and sprinkle some first on the top and the white something there, but I don't remember any right now. That's time skip over it. But yeah, but I have to look about that. This also we have to prepare. This is microgreens with cheese and that's something that will look like pepper. Actually, pepper. It smells like sweet pepper with wakashi bread. And then we did that's something here. The picture here. I want next something they doing our next wedding. And I basically mix greens with strawberry, blueberry, and the yellow something there. It smells like tangerine. I think it's tangerine. I'm not sure. But yeah. This is another picture also where we did play out for the one wedding. And this guys, this is just basically tomato with cheese. And would I leave the name again? Remember what I leave the name again. So yeah, that would be basically prepare. And then she just sprinkle some oil on it. Yeah, bon appetit, eat belly full. Nope. Anyway, cause me know say Jamaican and this and I wonder say, oh, this is full my belly, right? But anyway, yeah, basically that. So for the wedding hot side now, I'm gonna insert one video of some stuff outside and I prepare because I'm not really take no picture, sadly, but I'm gonna insert one video of probably 3 things or something where they prepare.
Curry shrimp, ribeye, and salmon.
Alright, so for our wedding now, them when I prepare the steak, they still look pretty. So one thing, boiling food, you know, it's gonna look pretty. Yeah. So this now, this is black rice with codfish and kimchi. See, and yeah, I think I like that on the top. This is our food. Yeah. So you know, some another smell on that as Jamaicans, not as Jamaicans. So two Jamaican girls. Them did their own pizza section because you have pizza too, and she did create the jerk chicken pizza here, which they taste good. Not to lie. Everybody did like it, everybody did rate it. Yeah. So you know this a pizza is a meat lover pizza, and they will have like quattro pizza that have 4 different cheese and whatever. I say people some people come at the restaurant, you know, and they not order. Let me give one example. So they're allergic to if you say sometimes they will come at the restaurant and they will say they want salted caramel, but then we say allergy. Like they might want they might go order salted caramel, and then the waiter go come around and ask you if peanut in that salted caramel, and I go say well yeah, I think so. I think we put it in, and them go say they're allergic to peanuts, but they might wonder if peanut in there. Like bro, if you know say allergic to peanut, don't order it then. Don't order it. Like them look at something that they will do. And if you wonder if you're allergic to something, why order it? But like I say, give me this. I'm allergic to this, but take out this in the menu. Don't order it then if you're allergic to it, sir. But yeah, now let me show you some of the dishes that they prepared when I was not there. And pictures. So guys, right, what are this or that? Which one of them would I rather eating? I'll eat the pizza. Yeah. Honestly, me never really eat any of the foods. Like when we prepare, me never really eat any. Maybe try like the ice cream and stuff, and like the cakes. We never really actually eat any of the foods there. We will eat them burger because them serve burger. We eat that. But certain stuff, I just not gonna taste it, right? Yeah. So guys, my experience there, it was a good one. Let me give it meet new people, you know, interact with them. You know, I meet other Jamaicans, you know, so some people go different school. Even though you go you take, we still know might see you, so you know, meet it there and so on. And we had a nice bond, the Jamaicans, and we had a nice bond there. And you know, if I want a little lunchtime, you know, we would have did a EDR and we would like talk and so on and so forth. So it was not a bad experience, it was good. And I really enjoyed myself. It was, you know, yeah, it was great. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I know it might not be so entertaining, you know, but I try my best to show you what I was doing and so on, right? I know say no people, I know say we kinda we did miss out a few Sundays, we know that, but we are so sorry. But we're gonna try our best to continue what we were doing, right? Because me and Michelle have school, so sometimes school work kind of get the best of us. So we have to try our best to do and balance the thing and put out the videos for you for watch. Cause I know say rate way and stuff, and I really appreciate you guys to take some time out of your busy schedule just to come watch Lamich sisters. I really appreciate it, and just read the comments them, you know, in the big joy. I can read every single one of the comments them, and just to see when a comment and I just, you know, just you enjoy the video, makes us happy making the video and putting out the video, because guess what, I'm gonna rate it. And thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments, just thanks for everything, guys. So also all of the food them I'm gonna show you, know which one I know want to eat. Tell me, yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and knowing yourself, another video is coming, so enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. So bye. Peace. Can't believe someday I talk so much minutes now. Yo, that's cool. That is an area does a fly, so it's a fly. Stay there, man. Still not staying.
Thank you for watching our video, and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, we're going to leave on with one phrase. It's after that, no one can do what we do, so just do
The
right
thing.
do the right thing. Listen, we do the